And the microbes are supposed to, of course, it's a lot of functions, but we're just not aware because the scientific research wasn't done in the past. For example, functions like planning, organizing, decision making, or even relationship matters is done by both combination of heart and the gut.
Wow.
And what do? We've been using this brain, right? And then we create so much relationship problems, you know, all the divorce cases, relationship issues, gossips, God knows what. Research has been done to show that there are 3 separate brains. This is more like a relay station. It takes feedback from, like say, it takes feedback from the heart, and then it makes a connection, and then it goes in a loop. But for us, is heart sends signal or the gut sends signal is like delete.
Yeah.
You know, we call it selective listening or selective whatever.
The ego mind, right? We talk about the logical mind versus
Correct.
intuitive mind. The intuitive mind. Listen to your guts and listen to your heart, right? Gut feel.
That is the intuitive mind, not this one.
Yeah, so it's misalignment. This 3 is misalignment. Like if you don't listen, use this guts and heart to listen and tell your brain to do that, right?
Correct.
You're using this, I know this, but
let me do it my way, or right?
Yeah,
or
this is not logical. I don't understand this because it's beyond my ability to understand that.
Exactly.
So
that's a very good point. That's a very good point. It's beyond my ability to understand. Therefore,